GPL T20 साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान GCA यंगिस्तानाक 8 विकेटींनी मारले. साळगांवकारान 13 ओव्हरींनी 137 रनांचे टार्गेट काढले. साळगांवकाराच्या सगूण कामतीन हाफ सेंचुरी मारली. ताणें 38 बॉलांनी 78 रन काढले. सूरज डोंगरेन 55 काढले. दोगांकय मॅन ऑफ द मॅच वांटून दिले. ह्या जैतान साळगांवकार सुपर 4 राउंडान पावला.
Tail is the call and tail it is.
This one.
Lovely shot there. This time in the gap. He was trying to look for that gap in the previous ball. This time stepping down the track. There is a fielder there. Third man takes the catch. That one, the batsman has launched into that. And this time that ball has been hit up in the air. The fielder at long off is coming underneath it. It's going to be an easy catch. And this time the batsman has missed the line completely. This time coming down the track there, that one takes the outside edge. And this one has been hit up in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath it. Will he take it? Yes, that was easy pickings there for the fielder. This time he's connected it well. That ball has gone sailing. Once again stepping down the track, the ball is up in the air, straight to the fielder at long on. Pawan Negi on strike, he comes down the track, the ball is up in the air again. And well taken there, well judged by the fielder. Once again a full length delivery, the ball is up in the air. Somebody's going to catch it, nobody's going to catch it. And this time he's cleaned him up. The GCA Yanghistan innings has come to an end with 136 runs on the board. This time on middle and leg stump, lovely shot there in the gap, there is a fielder there. This time a full toss stepping down the track, good piece of fielding there. Once again a lovely shot there, slightly short of a length delivery there. Once again a similar shot there, one bounce, no, that has gone over the fence. This time making room for himself, that ball is coming to the commentary box. This time straight down the ground. There is a fielder at long off, but he can't do anything. This one has been hit up in the air and he brings up his half century in style. Sagun Kamath take a bow there. This time the ball is up in the air and that also clears the boundary comfortably. This one is up in the air and there is nothing that the fielder, a third man, can do. Two bounces into the fence. And that one, that was an edge there. This time up in the air, there is a fielder underneath it, but that goes over his head for a 6. On the leg side, straight in the hands of the fielder. And that's it, they finish it off in style with a 4.
गोंयच्या शारांनी शिगमो सुरू. आयतारा फोंड्या शिगम्याची पयली मिरवणूक जाली. ढोल ताशांचो गजर आनी तालाचेर ताल धरीत रोमटा मेळ, पौराणीक कथा दाखोवपी चित्ररथ आनी तांचे बरोबर पौराणीक पात्रां. 14 दीस वेगवेगळ्या शारांनी शिगम्याचो उत्सव घुमतलो. मात हे फावट वेंचणुकेची आचारसंहिता आशिल्ल्यान खाजगी समित्यांक बंधनां घाल्यात. 20 वर्सांत पयलेच फावट शारांनी पालिका शिगमो करतात. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.